you are doing audience research for Facebook ads in 2026 the way you did it in 2024, then you are burning cash, because Meta just quietly released a massive engineering update called Andromeda. Most agencies miss this because they think it is just another update. Well, it isn't, because Andromeda is a next-gen retrieval engine that increased Meta's AI model capacity by 10,000%, which is not me saying you this, but Meta published this article on their own website, which you can see on the screen. And the algorithm no longer requires you to select the audience. Instead, it needs you to provide the correct data so it can find them for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can execute interest mining to feed this new beast so you can target high intent buyers without ever touching the detailed targeting setting again. This new meta ad system has two stages. The first is retrieval, the second is ranking. And here's an analogy you need to understand. Think of the algorithm like a nightclub. Ranking is the VIP host inside who decides who buys a bottle and which type. But the retrieval is the bouncer at the front door. Before Andromeda, the bouncer was very lazy. He just let everyone in. Now Andromeda is a super intelligent bouncer. It looks at a line of 10 million ads and filters them down to 1,000 relevant ones once in milliseconds. If your ad doesn't even pass the retrieval check, you never even get into the club to be ranked, which in easy terms means you lose before you even start. And Meta has also switched to these new NVIDIA super chips to increase the model's brain power by 10,000%, because the old model could only match keyword A to keyword B. This new system understands high order interactions. It knows that if a user paused for 3 seconds on a video about spinal health and your ad mentions L5 discs, there is a match, even if you never targeted back pain explicitly. And the scary part here is that AI is now watching your ad. It analyzes your visual features and the text structure. If you're lazy and launch 5 ads that all look the same, Andromeda flags them as low value and suppresses them in the retrieval stage. And you aren't losing then because your bid is low, but you're losing because your creative is boring to the robot. By the way, if you want this Andromeda ready ad system built for you so you don't have to spend hours mining interest or scripting ads, click the first link in the description. My team will help build the creative assets that feed the algorithm for you. Next thing is that you need to stop telling Meta that your avatar is male, 25 to 45 age. Now Andromeda already knows what your target audience's age is. We need to give it semantic signals, and these are the keywords that are in your field. For example, that only a true insider or the true specialist would know. For example, if you are a coder, the keyword here wouldn't be technology. It's something like Python, Stack Overflow, and more keywords like these that signal Meta who you are and that you are a specialist in this field. So you need to find more high intent keywords that prove that you have the authority. And for e-commerce stores who want to run their stores, how you can do is that you will go to Amazon, find the best selling product in your niche, filter by 1-star reviews, read them, and go to the specific words that they have used in their reviews. For example, a golfer says, "This glove made my hand sweat on the back nine." Back nine are just rounds that are split at the first half and the last half, which are divided into 9 sections each. And you have now these 2 sections. The first is sweaty hands, the second is back 9. So you write that down and that will be your main keyword targeting. And the next strategy is halo strategy. It means that who does your customer trust? For example, they trust someone like Andrew Huberman in fitness industry. So you will target these keywords like Andrew Huberman fitness in your reel. And if you can make an ad that references a specific tool, guru, or a book they love, Andromeda picks that up, hence boosting your ranking instantly. This is the most important part of the video. Meta has 2 sensors: OCR, optical character recognition, which reads the text on your image, on your post, reel, carousel, whatever, and the ASR, automatic speech recognition, which means Andromeda will listen to what the person is seeing in the reel, and Andromeda uses them to index your ad. For example, if you want to target nurses, you don't click nurses in the setting of detailed targeting. You put a word nurse in giant text on the image or the reel, and the OCR will read it, index it, and then show it to the nurses. And that's how creative is the next targeting. Now let's take those signals that we found in the step 2, which were sweaty hands and back 9. Now we will make an image ad where the headline is hand sweating on the back 9. You are explicitly calling out the avatar. This does two things. The first is that it hooks the human, and number two is that it tells the Andromeda robot exactly who this ad is for. Now when Andromeda reads back 9 on your image, it looks at its user database, it finds users who have recently watched golf videos or searched it for tea times. It makes the connection for you, and that is why broad targeting works, because AI is using your content to filter the audience, not your setting. Now I trust AI, but I do not trust AI blindly. We need to give it a starting point. Think of this like giving a scent to a bloodhound. We give it a scent of your best customers and we unleash it to find more. And how you can do it for your business is that you will take email lists of everyone who has bought from you, upload it to Meta as custom audience, and that will be your seed, because Andromeda will analyze the 10,000 data points of these people to build the profile of your perfect buyer. So that is exactly how you will leverage Andromeda update to do the audience research for Facebook ads in 2026. Now you have two options. Option 1 is that you can ignore this, keep using broad interest lists from 2021 and watch your CPMs rise as the retrieval engine filters you out. Or option 2 is that to click the first link in the description, book a call, and let us install this interest mining system into your ad account.